This is the epitome of rural luxury living. From the 3-car garage to the insane interior finishes, I am a huge fan of this property, and I know you will be too. Today, we're checking out a K&P custom home here in Castroville, Texas, just 30 minutes outside of downtown San Antonio. This home builder is an award-winning home builder. They've been building since 2007. They're family owned and operated, and they were featured in the 2023 Parade of Homes. This specific property is over 3,200 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, gorgeous masterpiece at $850,000. This is gonna give you a great idea if you're looking at building a custom home in San Antonio, what you can get, the different features, as well as the awesome finishes that K&P does. But before we get inside, my name is Quentin, and I'm gonna be your realtor for the next few minutes. If you can do me a huge favor, go down below, drop a like on the video, and if you don't wanna miss out on anything when it comes to the San Antonio area real estate market, we encourage you to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get inside. So as we approach the home, there's a few exterior items I wanna talk about. This is gonna be that garage space. It's a 2-car with a third. It's really like a 2.5, but it does have 3 doors. You have these amazing, very unique, you don't see them that often here in San Antonio, but these unique gutter systems, love them. You also have soffit outlets for whenever you want to put Christmas lights. You can't really see it, but they're gonna be up there. You have the soffit lights as well, kind of going along the perimeter of the home. I love the colors they chose, this natural stone with the black and then these stained beams. And then the gutters are actually gonna be like a copper. It all works very, very well. But upon entry, you have this huge 10-foot pivot glass door. I mean, it's primarily glass, and then the rest is gonna be metal. But then you walk right into the great room, and oh my, I mean, this is gorgeous. Living into the dining, straight into the kitchen. We have that Juliet balcony up there, which we'll see later. But before we get too deep, let's actually go to the first bedroom. Nice 8-foot window on the right. And speaking of 8 foot, all of the doors in this property are going to be 8 foot. So they're actually using this first bedroom as an office, similar to what I'd probably do. If you guys have been to the channel many times, you know I love my office space, so gotta have it. This is gonna be what they have it staged as, but again, it is a bedroom, has a closet and windows, so easily could use it as intended with a bunch of actually hanging space in that closet, which is nice. Across from that bedroom is going to be the first bath. So not an ensuite, but it's right across, bunch of cabinet space there, awesome LED lights on the mirror, and then this insane shower. Like I mentioned earlier, the details in here are just to die for. The next shower actually has some insane tile that we'll see in a second, but right back into the living space. Something else I love about this property is this back wall is essentially completely stone. So all the way up, and while we're up here, we'll talk about this cathedral ceiling, 26 feet, with the windows up there, amazing. But back to the wall. Full natural stone, same stone as the exterior. And again, it's essentially that whole wall. You just have that middle strip that isn't going to be stone. And right in the middle is going to be your gas fireplace. Got a mantle up top, which is cool. The built-ins on both sides. And then these actual light fixtures are just so cool. I mean, everything about this home just screams beautiful design work. Nonetheless, this is gonna be your living space. As I always say, I'd put a nice size sectional there, mount that TV up on the wall right above the fireplace and call it a day. But I love this living because you have the glass sliders on the left that you can open up and have that indoor-outdoor living. We'll check out the outside here in a little bit, but you also have the built-ins again on this side with your second bedroom and bath. So this one is gonna be an ensuite bath, but another decent sized room. Still got those 8-foot doors. This one looks out back And then this is going to be the closet space for this bedroom. So it's not as big as the last one, but it does have that bathroom in the actual room, so the ensuite. But this is that tile I was talking about. It's actually tile. I thought it was wallpaper at first, but this is tile, and they're huge. I mean, those are like 18 by 18 or something like that. Again, just the design work in here is insanely awesome. And then you have pretty much a mirror of the last bathroom. Single vanity with all of the nice cabinets for storage. You have more storage here on the left, but we're right back out into the great room. And you guys know I love this full open concept, that shotgun style. Opens right up into the dining space. Not a huge table for this size of a home. Again, it's 3,200 square feet, 4x4 with that 2.5, 3-car garage. But you do have this enormous island with a bunch of seating room for those extra people that are maybe over for a party and you want to include them in the conversations at the dining table. Waterfall island with the actual cabinets that are functional on the backside. Love that for storage, holiday fixtures, things of that nature. You actually have these huge pendant lights. I can't really tell on camera, but these things are ginormous. I mean, for comparison, but just such a gorgeous kitchen. On the left, you have a bunch of extra cabinet space. And this is gonna be my hot take of the day. I love when you actually have drawers instead of the doors on the bottom. So much more, practicality with it, and you can put so much stuff or so much more stuff in there. That's my opinion, but nonetheless, you also have the glass panes, some of the, undermount lighting up top for those glass panes. And you actually do have some outlets inside. So if you needed to, you could put some other decoration that lights up, or maybe a Keurig, your espresso maker, whatever the case may be. And you're probably like, Quentin, where is the fridge? There's no fridge in here. They gotcha. This is gonna be the fridge right here. Such an awesome feature when they actually cabinet the fridge. It doesn't want to close on me, but when they actually cabinet the fridge and the freezer is also gonna be cabineted, which is nice. But again, they have the drawers over here as well. This on your right is gonna be for the trash can. I wish they kept the cabinets on the actual dishwasher as well, but nonetheless, still you have the decor appliances. You have 2 of these are wireless chargers, and then they pop up with more outlets on the side. This gorgeous crinkle backsplash, and I love these finishes. These are so awesome. I just love them. Soft close, obviously, have to be. And then you actually have the cabinets that go all the way up with the fully wrapped range or vent hood, and then an awesome 6-burner. And this house is just amazing. I mean, that thing goes down by the touch of a button. You have dual ovens on here, and then this huge deep sink. Amazing. Microwave is gonna be there, some more drawers on this side, and then the decor appliances do not stop. You have a wine chiller, and then just a nice little wine area. So wine area over here, maybe coffee area over there, or in your little butler's pantry, you can actually put your coffee kind of selection over here. So a bunch more countertop and cabinet space. This is obviously my favorite feature of the kitchen. It's insane. Pantry on this side, and it's truly a butler's or a prep kind of pantry. I have the undermount lights in here as well, and you're probably like, Quentin, do we have outlets in here? I feel like that's kind of against code probably, huh? Of course you have outlets. They're just undermounted, so you don't have to see them. You don't have to see the ugly little boxes on the backsplash. And speaking of backsplash, same cabinets. The only thing different are the pulls, but still insane details. I love it. You got your second fridge because one's not enough, but you also have a second sink because again, one's not enough. And I love this little hanging rack. Again, you can put your coffee area back here and have it tucked away for your morning coffee. And then you have this awesome pivot door that actually goes in and out. So it goes in or out, amazing. Right here is gonna be your nice little mud area. And then you have the garage on the left. I normally don't show garages, but this one's spectacular. I mean, your garage has more natural light than a lot of homes that I see on a day-to-day basis. Again, the 2.5 car here. And then you have two of those electric car charging in here. Can't see the other one, it's tucked over there. Nonetheless, this is gonna be one, but also two entrances to the laundry room. We'll see that here in a little bit because it does connect to the next room of the property, which is gonna be the primary suite. This is gonna be the stairs going upstairs. Love the wrought iron. Had to mention that before we got up there. But here is the primary suite. So pretty good sized room. You do have a little bit more space on this side for whatever TV or, you know, furniture that you need, but good sized room. I love how you have can lights in pretty much every room, amazing fixtures. And then you also have these lights and they're on their own circuit, both of them. So if you want to read a book at night and not wake up your partner, you certainly can do such. But here is the primary bath. An abundance of cabinets. I mean, two wardrobes essentially on both sides, and they go all the way to the ceiling. Speaking of to the ceiling, the tile does the exact same thing. You have these ginormous mirrors, hello, these oval sinks with the nice black finishes. And then again, we're back to the drawers rather than the doors. And then just to the other side, you have the shower and then the tub on my right. So huge, huge room. They also towel all the way up in here. You have some awesome natural light with two huge fixed windows. And then again, on the other side is going to be the shower. I just hit the heck out of this, tub. Nonetheless, you have a bench, a niche on both sides, and then right here in the middle is the pretty much the drain. So really nice bathroom thus far. On the right is going to be the water closet, and then on the left is the traditional closet. So bunch of storage space. They bring these exact same cabinets in here. You have these pull downs, which are awesome. And then more storage for shoes over here. And I love how they maximize the space really well. Nice mirror here, but it is a door for more storage. Gotta love it. And then here is gonna be the entrance into first a kind of a utility closet almost. Behind these doors are gonna be the water softener and water heater. So water heater there, and then you're plumbed for a water softener on the right. So nice use of space there. And then you have where the washer and dryer would go. Some nice space on top for folding. And then you have the sink as well as some more space, some nice storage underneath. And then for you dog fathers and mothers, you have a nice little wash area, and it doubles as a kennel. So you close this, and if you don't want them all over the house while you guys are out on the town, you have the opportunity to do such. They have a huge glass door right there to look out of. And then this is gonna be the entrance to the garage. And then on my left is the entrance back into the mud area, into the great room. So nice little 360 we did right there. We'll now go check on the second story. So stairs going up, no carpet at all. This is also gonna be hardwood. The flooring downstairs was hardwood. Again, you have another piece of wrought iron stairwell to some more hardwood in the second level. So a nice loft area right here. That's gonna be one of your HVAC units. And then here is the fourth bathroom with finally a tub for the little ones. You're also gonna have a bedroom up here. And I love how they did a cathedral ceiling with the beam in here as well. And here is the closet for the upstairs room. Decent little size, maximizing space everywhere with some more storage on the right. And the good old Juliet balcony looking at your insane home. Like, look at this view. And if you look up, you still have a view. Like, look at that. Just such a gorgeous home. And like I mentioned, this builder builds all over San Antonio, from Bernie to Floresville. We're today in Castroville. So if you want a custom home anywhere in the San Antonio area, they essentially can do it. I wanna say I've even seen a home that they had listed for sale in the Blanco area, which is probably an hour or so north of San Antonio. But nonetheless, here is gonna be the sliding glass doors to the backyard. So again, you could do that nice indoor-outdoor living if you open those all the way up. But on the exterior, you do have a huge patio and that exact same stone on another fireplace with a pre-mounted and pre-wired TV up top. Nice little outdoor kitchen with the fridge on the right. And then you have the actual trash can there, bunch of storage, and then this is going to be the cooktop. Put some nice pavers out here. They have a little fire pit already. And then if you didn't know who built your home, you have them stamped forever. But we're on just over 1/4 of an acre, so a decent sized lot. I actually love the fence they did back here with the metal post. Gorgeous view from the back of the home as well. You have a metal roof on this property, so the roof is gonna be in great shape for a while. And then here you have a little bit of side yard. Just a spectacular home. All right, guys, that's gonna conclude this custom home by Parker and Kane. Let us know in the comments what you guys think of this property, what you guys like, what you guys don't like. And if you want to possibly build with them or build another home in the San Antonio area, all of our contact information will definitely be in the description. So please don't hesitate to reach out. But like always, if there's any other communities or properties you'd like for us to tour, please let us know. We would be more than willing to take you on a tour around San Antonio. But if you want to see a video similar to this one, click here. And if you don't want to miss out on anything when it comes to the San Antonio real estate market, you can always just subscribe.